Hi, today I'm going to cook Labsha. Labsha means in Tibetan Labu and Sha. Labu means it's called a Japanese daikons, and Sha means it's a beef meat. And traditionally in Tibet we use like a yak meat, and we don't have the yak, so today I'm using like a beef meat. This is a cross ribs roast. Okay, here are the ingredients. And erma in Tibetan, in English we call Szechuan pepper, and Japanese daikons, and red onions, and tomatoes, and garlic, and cilantros, and salt. Yeah, I'm peeling the Japanese daikons. The skin looks ugly and I don't like it. They have a lot of hair and like that. I can feel it. The top part of the daikon is like a hard. It's not good for the eat. So I can cut it like this. Daikon I can not too small, not too big, just like a. You can cut anything you want. If you keep like whole pieces, if you fit in your pot, it is good too. Now I chop tomatoes. Yeah, that's it. Why I chop this garlic means it's easy to skin it and easy to chop it. Like this. I chop cilantro now. Now I am grounding erma Szechuan pepper. Now I chop the onions. Here I cut like how people cut in the restaurant. For onions. Now I'm chopping up beef. I can chop like the same size what we cut it Japanese daikon. Okay, pan is hot. I put a 1 tablespoon of oil, and the pan is really hot. Then I put Szechuan pepper. It gives you flavor, and garlic. When this become a golden color, then you can add onion. And you can add meat now. Now the meat and erma and onions and garlic, they are cooked like 3 minutes. Then I can add like a half cup of cold water and 1 teaspoon of salt, and you can put the Japanese daikon, Labu. And you can add tomatoes, and the cilantro is the end of when you finish everything, cook everything. Cilantro comes with the garnish. It needs like a 12 minutes to cook labuk. Half more cup of water, total 1 cup of water, and it needs more like 9 more minutes. Labu and Sha is done. Now I turn off and for me it takes like less than half an hour. So, and finally I ate cilantro. It gives you the color in the eyes, green, and I put the cilantro, and that's it. Labu and sha, and enjoy. And thank you for watching yourwarmth.com, and enjoy it, and Labu and sha. If you guys have any comment or anything to write, let us know, please. Don't hesitate to write openly your heart. Okay, love it.